I'm going to show you how you can do your own hair extensions at home in under 20 minutes and save thousands of dollars whilst doing it. Yes, you did hear correctly. No more expensive trips to the salon necessary, no more expensive upkeep. They last for up to 4 weeks in your hair before you take them out yourself and reapply them yourself. It's that easy. The kit comes with absolutely everything you need, so I'm going to use this video to show you how I do mine. It's so simple. You section your hair and pull one side of the tape off. Place it just below the line you created, usually half a centimetre to a centimetre below the line. Then you pull off the other piece of tape and you let your hair fall over the tape and press down. Once you've pressed down, you then go ahead and section the next part of your hair. It is literally that simple. And the best part about this method is that when the wind blows, you cannot see a single thing because the tapes are sandwiched between the layers of your hair. So no more nasty tracks showing. It's honestly an absolute game changer. I wear 2 sets in 2 different shades because my hair is 2 different shades of brown, but I also wear 2 sets because my hair is super thick and I like them to look nice and natural and full. You're going to wash them exactly like you would wash your normal hair if you didn't have extensions. You're going to use a sulfate-free shampoo and no conditioner. Once you're ready to remove them, the kit comes with a special remover that you will spray onto the tapes and they will literally melt out of your hair. You'll then wash them before retaping them with the special Muse tape that comes in the kit and putting them right back into your hair. The hair is human hair, so it can be styled as you would your own hair, and it can last up to a year with good care. The one that you're actually seeing has lasted me over a year. I'm not joking when I say these extensions have literally changed the game for me, and I know they're going to do the same for you.